You want to control your Windows from your MacBook, whether you're working remotely or you just want to access a file. Let me show you how to set up a remote desktop on your MacBook in just few minutes. Let's dive in.
Step 1, for you to enable the remote desktop on your window, all you have to do is to go to your system start menu. Once you get to your system start menu, go to settings. On this settings, you come to system. This is where you will enable your remote desktop. So go to system. Once you click on system, it will bring you this place. First off, note down the name of your window laptop. Note down the name. First off, note down the name of your laptop, which is this name. Then scroll till you see remote desktop. This is the remote desktop. Now we have to toggle it on to enable the remote desktop. Click on it, come to this place and toggle it on. Note that both laptop, the Mac and the Windows have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi for this to work, or you connect to the same public network. Now toggle it on. Here is where you see the name of your PC again, in case you didn't see it, you didn't notice it the other side. The next step is for you to note down the IP address of your Windows laptop. This will enable you connect it to the MacBook. How do you get this? Go to your search bar and type cmd. Once you type cmd, this command prompt will open. Type in IP configure. Hit enter. Now connection specific. This is the IP address that you're supposed to note down. Note this down. Either you write it down or you copy it somewhere. This is the IP address we'll be using to connect. It's either we'll be using the IP address or we'll be using the name of the computer. Now that we've noted down the IP address, we'll have to head down to the Apple MacBook to download the remote desktop. It is free. So look, let's head down to the Apple MacBook. Let's install the remote desktop on our MacBook or on our desktop Mac. Now go to your App Store. Once you get to your App Store, type in remote desktop. It will show you remote desktop for Mac. Click on any of them. Previously, as you can see, the name on MacBook on the App Store, the name on the App Store was remote desktop, but now it's Windows app. In case you don't see remote desktop, you can type in Windows app. Click on download. Once you click on download, I've already downloaded mine. Once you click on download, once you're done downloading, click on open. Once you open, it will open something like this dialog box for you. Come to this plus icon. Come to the plus icon and click on add PC. This is where we'll be adding our Windows laptop. Remember I said you should note down your PC name or the IP address when we were trying to set up the remote desktop on the Windows aspect. Now I'm going to be using my IP address instead of my Windows, I'm going to be using my IP address instead of my laptop's name. So you can actually use the host name or use the IP address. Let me use my IP address 192.168.0.180. You can change the display how you want it. You can change the device and audio. You can change anything here, the general settings where you want it to be saved. Then click on add. Once you click on add, this thing will be showing you, this picture will be showing you the window picture has been saved. So all you have to do is to come to this place and click on connect. If you click on connect, you say enter the credential. This credential will be used to connect to the IP address that we've been connected to. So now I'm going to be using the username I used in logging in my Windows laptop and the password I used in logging in my Windows laptop. Note, it has to be password of your Windows laptop and the username. My username is Dell_ThinkPad. Then I'll input my password 123456. we are connecting our window now, so click on continue. Let's watch and see what will happen. Now our window has been connected. So we can now play music. As you can see, you can play game. See, now you can play music from your MacBook inside your window laptop. So now I can copy anything. Look at it. Instead of you downloading, if you don't have time to download parallel desktop, taking all those procedures, this is the easiest way to connect your window to your MacBook via the remote way, the remote desktop. So you can see, I can even check properties. Let me see the properties of this laptop, of this desktop. Let's go to File Explorer. Let's see what's the spec of this laptop. Now it's showing Lenovo 11 Gen, processor speed 2.8, so on and so forth. So try it and let me know in the comment section if it works for you. If you have a better idea, you can also share on the comment section.